Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and a tutorial on how I colored my 613 unit courtesy of Rosa Beauty Hair. So the unit that I received is a lace front and it's 16 inches in the texture Brazilian body wave, and as you can see it is a nice bright 613 color. And yeah, so basically with the package they sent me 2 wig caps, which is always useful and definitely comes in handy. And here's the wig in this protective Ziploc baggie. I really like that. That keeps the hair, you know, protected while it comes to you, and you can even use it for storage after you're done with the wig. So I'm basically just going to show you what it's looking like, how it's feeling. And as soon as it comes out the package, I did notice that it was very soft, and I really did like that. It has some kind of dimension in the hair. I don't know if you could really see that, but with the color, it's not all the same tone of blonde. It was like some kind of dimensions. And here I'm showing you the cap construction. As you can see, it tracks all throughout the back, and the only lace is in the front. And it has 3 combs and 1 in the back. And I think I did keep the combs. Yes, I did. Usually I cut them out, but I did keep these. And as you can see, it already has some baby hairs around the perimeter. And yeah, my only one comment, you know, that I really didn't like was that the parting space was not that far back. I wish it was a little bit wider on the sides, but you know, it's all good. It did work and do what it needed to do. So now let's get to the coloring. So the materials that I use are from Wella Color Charm. I use their developer, 3 boxes of their hair color, which is in 8N/811. That's the light blonde. And then I have this mixer coloring bottle from Sally's. And then I have the Got To Be Freeze It spray. And that we're going to use on the lace. And yeah, so honestly at the end I ended up only using about 2 of the boxes. I did mix together all 3. But at the end I did have a lot left. So I would say that's equal to 1 box. So if you are going to do 16 inches, you might be okay with 2 boxes. But it's always good to go with 3, and at Sally's it was buy 2 get 1 free, so it was like whatever anyway. So you're gonna mix 1 part toner and 2 parts developer using the toner bottle to measure, and it's super simple. And once it starts to turn like a little, like it turns purple when it gets on the hair, but that's when you know you're doing it right. And yeah, you guys, it's pretty self-explanatory, and I'm gonna show you. And yeah. So you're going to use the Freeze It spray to spray it all on the lace. This helps protect the lace from getting any dye on it. Like even if some dye does get on it, it'll wash away and really won't penetrate it as bad, so that your lace isn't all splotchy with colors. This is definitely useful if you're doing a brighter color or darkening the roots as well. So here I am just brushing the baby hairs back just so that the hair is in place. And then I'm really just going to evenly spread that dye on. Mix it in, really rub it, make sure it's worked in, and that's it. In some parts you're gonna see me like brushing on the roots in the front, and that's just because I really wanted the dye to get everywhere. I hate seeing people like with frontals that they obviously have 613 hair, right? So the roots by the part is mad blonde and then the rest is a color. Like, I hate that. I don't know, unless it's like a soft transition. I don't like when it's patchy, so I really made sure I brushed and got all the roots and just got everything evenly distributed. So for the rest, I'm just gonna speed through it, and it's really simple, you guys. Once I feel like I got the dye everywhere, I'm just going to wrap it in some aluminum foil to process, and I'm going to let it process for 30 minutes. So once time is up, I'm just going to rinse it out with some lukewarm water. I did not use any purple shampoo, the shimmer lights. I did not use that. I know in a lot of 613 videos they use that, but I just didn't think it was necessary because you know, the color was the tone that I wanted it anyway, and you usually use purple shampoo to tone down brassy tones, and I didn't have any, so I just used my favorite conditioner, which is the Organics coconut oil, I think, conditioner. You're gonna see. So yeah. Alright, time to use some conditioner. Oh my god, I'm so happy. It looks good. Yes, you look good. Guess what? It like barely shed at that. That's what I really commend this here for. It barely sheds. For real. And that's good. Okay, well. That one strand. And this is the final look. This is how it looks after air drying. I cut the lace obviously because I did wear this unit on my birthday, and I really love this color. Like, the color was perfect for my skin tone. It looked amazing. Like, I don't want to toot my own horn, but I was just so happy. Like, I love YouTube because, you know, you could watch all type of videos and put your own spin to it, and look, like, it comes out perfect. I did cut this wig a little bit. I would say I cut off about 2 inches. That's it. It kind of was a bob, kind of not really. And yeah, you guys, and to blend the lace with my skin, all I did was put my foundation on the lace. I did not do anything special. All I did is get my regular, you know, liquid foundation, and I just pressed it onto the lace. And I washed the wig again, so this is like leftover, but look how amazing it looks.